Writing good sentences is important. Being able to use noun phrases in your sentences can help make your sentences more interesting. Welcome to Writing better sentences, paragraphs, and essays. So, what is a noun phrase? A noun phrase is a group of two or more words that functions like a noun. A noun phrase can take the place of a subject or an object of the sentence. A noun phrase is different from a noun clause. A noun clause has a noun and a verb, but a noun phrase contains a noun but no verb. I have another video about noun clauses that you might want to watch after this video. A noun phrase can consist of several different things. A noun followed by a conjunction and then another noun. Or it could be a gerund and a noun. It can also be an article followed by an adjective and a noun. It can begin with an article followed by a noun and a prepositional phrase. And finally, a very simple form is a determiner and a noun. Let's look at a few examples of these different types of noun phrases. The first type was a noun followed by a conjunction and then another noun. We often use this as the subject of the sentence, as in this example. Tom and Sue are from New York. Here's another example. Science and technology define the future. We can also use this type of noun phrase as the object of the sentence, as in these examples. They had pizza and salad for dinner. My father went to the store to buy a new shirt and some socks. We also use a gerund and a noun as a noun phrase. Swimming the backstroke can be difficult. Playing too many video games can harm your eyes. He dislikes doing the laundry. The first two sentences are using the noun phrases as the subject of this sentence, whereas the last sentence is used as an object of the sentence. Here are some examples of a noun phrase made of an article followed by an adjective and a noun. The new student seemed shy. A beautiful painting was on the wall above the table. My friend bought his girlfriend a diamond ring. Again, the first two sentences are being used as the subject of the sentence, and in the last sentence is used as an object. One more way a noun phrase can be made is with an article, a noun, and a prepositional phrase. The store near the station has been closed. The hospital in the middle of town is being renovated. Did you see the news from last night? Again, the first two sentences are used as the subject, and in the last sentence, the noun phrase is the object of the sentence. And one last way to write a noun phrase. These papers need to be filed. That movie was really exciting. The words these and that are added to the noun to make a noun phrase. What are you going to do with those shoes? Are you planning on moving this weekend? Usually when writing a noun phrase, other parts of the noun phrase will go after the noun. The woman standing over there is my mother. These are ing phrases. We also can write, you should take something to read. These are to infinitives. So a noun phrase is a group of two or more words that functions like a noun. It can include determiners like we just looked at, as in this sentence, those shoes are very expensive. We can also use quantifiers. I do not have a lot of money. We can also use numbers. My sister owns 10 pairs of shoes. And we can, of course, also use adjectives. I love new shoes. All of these types of information can be added to the main noun in the sentence. So, how do we use noun phrases in sentences? Let's look at this sentence. The cap belongs to my younger brother. This is a very simple sentence. If we added a few more words to make this a noun phrase, we can add more information about this cap, the main noun in the sentence. We could write something like this. The small blue baseball cap on the top shelf belongs to my younger brother. You can see that we have added a size, a color, what kind of cap it is, and where it is to our main noun, creating this more detailed noun phrase. So what is the main or head noun in the phrase? It's the word cap. Here's another example. Several expensive high-end watches that were in the store were stolen last night by a group of thieves. Again, the main or head noun in the phrase is the word watches. I think that you can see if you add extra words to describe your main noun and change it into a noun phrase, you can write a more interesting sentence. The simple sentence that you may have started with could have been this sentence. Several watches were stolen last night. Using noun phrases can help you to write better sentences. So to review, what is a noun phrase? It's a group of two or more words that functions like a noun. A noun phrase can take the place of a subject or an object in a sentence. A noun phrase can consist of these different things. I hope you have a better understanding of how you can write more interesting sentences by using noun phrases. If you need help writing essays, you can watch more of my videos, or you might want to check out the printable workbooks that I have available. The link is in the description below. Happy writing!